Hello and welcome back to Teachers Helpers videos. This video is to help you with understanding a prism and how to calculate volume of a rectangular prism in a cube. Please like and subscribe to this channel and check out my math playlist as well. Before understanding 3D shapes, it is important to understand the following definitions: what a face is, what edges are, and what vertices are. Let's take a look at this cube, for example. The face is the front of a shape on all sides, just like we have a face. A cube has 6 faces. So if we were to dissect the cube, you would use 6 2D squares, which would be 6 faces. The edges are where the faces meet. In this cube, it has 12 edges. Since we put the shape together, the shape would share edges and vertices. The vertex or vertices are the points of the shapes or the corners. In this case, this shape has 8 vertices. Some real-life examples of a cube would be a Rubik's Cube or a box to store your items in. I want you to now take a look at this video of my students showing you the characteristics of a shape. So as you can see in this video, she has a Rubik's Cube and she's showing you the vertices of the Rubik's Cube, which are the pointy parts. She also has this cool triangular prism as well. And those are the vertices. Remember, vertices are plural and vertex is for 1. Now she's showing you the edges. Why don't you comment in the comments how many edges there are in that shape. This is a very cool shape as well. And she's also showing you the edges of this. And now she's showing you the faces. So the faces are the flat parts of the shape. And there's the faces of the regular Rubik's Cube. Now that we understand what a cube is, let's take a look at the volume formula. So the volume formula is V equals L times W times H, which is length times width times height. And we also use V equals S squared. The S stands for the length of any edge. Before we move on to practice, let me define volume for you. Volume is the space that a shape occupies. So just like this example here, think of it as what is inside the shape or the space that it takes up. We usually measure volume in cubic units, which is also called capacity. You may see units written like this, centimeters cubed, and the 3 stands for length times width times height. Now let's take a look at a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The rectangular prism uses the same volume formula, which is V equals L times W times H, or it can be written as B times H. Now the B stands for base and the H represents height. The beak breaks down to L times W. So these formulas are all the same, but I would like you to know and be aware of them if you see them in the classroom. Here's our first example. Be sure to pause the video and try it on your own. But here is the solution. So V is equal to 140 centimeters cubed. So here's our second example. Make sure that you're using the formula V equals S times S times S, and S stands for sides. So for this example, I got 168 cubic centimeters. So you made it to the end of the video, and I left you with some 4 independent practice questions. I want you to put your answers in the comments, but you can also check my description for the answer key as well. And I want to thank you for watching my video today and supporting me. If you like the charts that you saw in the video, please check out my TPT store, which is listed in the description. And please leave me a comment on this video and like and subscribe. Thank you so much.